ANRKY project behind me. As you can see, it's pretty much done with the wrap in that chalk gray, gloss chalk gray. Typically, we've done some other grays, usually lighter. This one is actually really nice because it doesn't look like white. A lot of them looked very close to white or primer. This is a little bit more gray. So really nice, goes really good with the yellow. Also, we have a Vorsteiner kit that just arrived. We're gonna be installing that right now. Rear diffuser, side skirts, rear wing, and a front lip is all gonna go on this thing. It has ANRKY wheels, it's slammed, so you guys already know this is gonna look wild when we're done, so stay tuned.
What's his name? Raul. Raul? Not Hector.
All right, guys, we got a 488 Ferrari right here. It's not wide body, but it's got almost everything else. It has Novitec suspension, so it's slammed. It has ANRKY wheels in a really dope gunmetal configuration. Very different than the usual blacks and silvers we see. We just wrapped it in this chalk gray gloss color. Really dope color. Our friends at Tech sent us this roll, and it looks really nice on this Ferrari. It's not too light and it's not too dark. Normally we see these type of colors being too light or too dark, so this is a very nice in-between color. And it also features a full Vorsteiner carbon fiber kit now. So you got the front spoiler down there. It just adds underneath the front bumper. It's got really dope side skirts. These are really nice, actually, the way they flare out, and it has those little winglet spoilers on the corner that really adds to it. The Vorsteiner wing, which we've done previously, really clean design on that rear wing, looks incredible. And of course we have the carbon fiber fins on the back diffuser. So this is a really dope 488. It has everything I would do to it. Slammed, of course, really dope wheels, carbon fiber everywhere. It's got black and yellow stitching interior, and it has also a tune and exhaust system. So literally it has everything except the wide body, put it that way. So I hope you guys enjoy it. We're over here on rooftop in LA, away from the madness, and we're really enjoying it right now.
You're great. Hey! Ah! Ah! Moses strikes back.
He broke my nose.
Yeah, oh, he's bleeding.
Here we have a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8, pumping an astonishing 495 horsepower to the rear wheels. This American-made sports car is nothing to play with. We just installed this beautiful high wing to complement the Forgiato wheels, and we will soon be lowering the vehicle on custom air suspension along with a full exhaust system.
Alright guys, we just finished up the BMW M8. We got some Forgiato wheels on there, 22-inch wheels, no lowering for now. Satin Pro white wrap. The new M8s are dope. We did some exhaust work on it too. Not too loud, just a little bit more deep, I would say. That car has less than 1,000 miles, so it's still in break-in period. He's gonna bring it back, we're gonna tune it and do some more work on it. But the M8 is a truly impressive car. It's definitely much faster than Sarkis's fake M850. So poor Sarkis, he's outside drooling over it right now. He wants wheels, but he's never gonna have them, unfortunately. This Urus is actually belongs to Gotti. They gave him this when he got his car, and it's the exact basically configuration for his car, but we wrapped it, so I'm gonna actually wrap this model. What's kind of whack is that I didn't get a model after my car, so I'm gonna hit up the dealer and ask him why I didn't get a model Urus. Also, I'm going to wrap my vehicle, which you guys already know I've been wanting to wrap it for about a month now. My wrap is deteriorating, but every time I'm about to do my car, we get 5 different cars in for wraps and I have to delay my car. So I'm still trying to decide at least the color. I don't know if I want to do a gold, a brown, or a green. I'm trying to figure that out. I'm leaning towards the green right now, but hopefully you guys can help me decide too. So let me know what your thoughts are.